Guys, I brought you here to a beautiful place here where I live, which is Argentina, La Rioja. Yeah, this wasn't supposed to happen. That actually made me realize I might have an advantage most people don't. I'm 21, living in Argentina, and I feel like that's a pretty remote place to be. Or in my city, anyways. I'm studying engineering, data analytics, and I'm building this channel for the long term. And this was basically me, a couple of years ago.
No.
Yeah, I wasn't really investing, I was just gambling. And most people working here get like 300 bucks a month. And that may not sound like a lot, because it isn't. And that's my advantage. You can imagine a New Yorker with 500,000 invested. He can't really retire, but here, that's financial independency. So if I already have a cost advantage, the real question is, how do I invest smarter than average? Most people will tell you to just buy the S&P, and that's it. You're just diversified buying the index. But that's not really the case anymore. If you buy the index today, you're betting 40% of your capital into the top 10 big tech. And that creates opportunity. This is when most people get bored. So let me make this simple. Forward PE is just how much you're paying today for each dollar the company is expected to make in the future. So take for example Microsoft. If it's historically trading at 22 times earnings and you get it at 17, you're getting a huge discount. According to this, Microsoft is currently undervalued. And historically, buying quality companies at lower valuations like that tend to lead to better returns over time. So in the end, I'm not trying to be perfect, I'm trying to be better than when I was 18. And at the end, I couldn't get the perfect drone shot, but I think I got something better.